SLC is a broadcasting is not devolved matter, so which is why I decided by the Westminster government.
There's no problem with that. With your plans for SLC, for the channels 15 and DJ, there's massive cuts. Plans for into the BBC. We're facing a loss of SLC, and you've come here today to discuss local and regional television, and you haven't come to discuss SLC at all, which is a national channel. You can't even secure the future of a national channel, let alone set up regional television channels. Another point, do you really think that people in North Wales want to be lumped in, and Wales throughout actually, you put Wales in with South West Wales, the needs for Wales are completely different to those in the South West. It shows that Westminster is totally in a bubble. They don't understand Wales at all, or SLC.
Do you want me to respond? First of all, we've protected the budget for SLC. The government is saving 94% of the money they were providing for SLC.
No, that's not true. The BBC cannot give us any guarantee of any funding after 2015.
Well, no one has any guarantee of funding after. The current spending review is for 4 years, and we protected SLC's budget for 4 years. The cut in SLC's budget is actually less than the cut my department is facing overall. So we protect the budget.
It's not in line with the broadcasters. It's facing a real terms cut of 42%, which is more than any other broadcaster.
It's facing a real terms cut of around 24%.
40%. SLC itself have said that with that kind of drastic cuts they can't carry on.
Well, it's a 24% cut, which is about the same as my department had. So all the funding that I'm making for arts organisations throughout the whole country, everyone I'm afraid is having to deal with very difficult cuts. And SLC has had the same cut as my department has had to cut. It's a very difficult time for everyone. But no, the point is that SLC's had some problems.
We're making massive cuts, John, putting into the BBC and going to help that situation. We're calling for, one of the things we're calling for is a new SLC. You can't have that.
Well, I hope we'll have a new SLC because I think we've got very big challenges. I'm a big supporter of Welsh language broadcasting, which is why...
So why haven't you come to discuss Welsh language broadcasting with people in Wales
because
who it matters to?
Well, I've discussed SLC on many occasions with people from SLC, and I think we've got a very good solution.
What about the people of Wales?
Could I just present this letter?
Yes. I just want to make a point about local TV, which you might be quite dismissive of. I think it's a very big opportunity potentially for Welsh. It's a very good opportunity for Welsh language broadcasting as well. And I think the local TV stations that I hope we'll have in Wales, in Cardiff, Swansea, Haverfordwest, Markham, Bangor, Mold, I think will make a really big difference to those communities. So
do you think it's more important to ensure the future of the national television channel before you start talking about
I believe we have. I believe we've got a very good solution which gives SLC financial security.
But also,
well, no one has got funding beyond the next 4 years. So that's the work the government does. There's an election in 2015, and there's lots of things will change. No one's got funding beyond that. But as far as anyone has got funding, the army has got funding, the police have got money, no one has got funding beyond this current spending round. And what we've done is we've secured the funding for that period.
Also, but we don't know who's going to be funding.
We do. It's going to be funded by the BBC.
Not beyond 2015.
Well, no one knows. I mean, no one else.
So what happens then? But by that time, there won't be any. There won't be of anything made. They won't have make plans for it. So it's nothing would.
Sorry, we're going to have to go now.
And just to say, in the current environment, to have secure funding for the next 4 years is as good as anyone has. But I also hope that with a partnership with the BBC going forward,
SLC.
Would you be prepared to meet us?
I was going to say
an official meeting with.
Well, I'll give you my contact details.
So many times
I'll give you my contact details.
But can you tell us now today that you would meet up with us?
I need to haven't come to Wales to discuss it at all.
And other representatives.
Well, I have discussed it many times with people who
are
in the Welsh Assembly and SLC. But anyway, I'll give you my contact details.
We've written to you.
Okay, well, if you don't want to take those. Anyway, thank you for coming out today and exercising your democratic rights. We can carry on the discussion inside.
Dim toriadau!
Dim toriadau! Dim toriadau! Dim toriadau! S4C!